Have you ever asked yourself what a 2019 luxurious Harrier looks like? Today we're going to look at the inside and the outside of this car, and I think by the time this video ends, you will be rushing to the bond to get one. Call me when you decide to buy, so I guide you. Overall look, sporty, majestic, the favorite for ladies. If you have this, ladies will come running after you. And if you're a lady with this, assume you have not heard the last statement. Okay, so we are going to start with these lights. You'll notice that these are different. They have these indicators that keep running like this. You know, those indicators that shine while running, yeah? Now this is different. This is not the same as what we've seen on other cars. Let me show you a different lamp so that you can compare. So this is 2009, but this is a higher end trim. Let me just show you a different light so that you can compare and understand what I'm talking about. This is also a Harrier, but look at this light. You may not have noticed that before, but there is a difference, okay? I think you can see the difference yourself. Fog lights, yes. Angry Bird, yes. Alloy wheels, yes. Indicators on the mirrors, correct. Chrome plated handles, yes. Side profile, the kind of car your in-laws would appreciate. 2.4G, meaning it is 2,400 cc gasoline, petrol. Huge Toyota logo at the back, of course. Let's get on the inside. Expandable door bins. Power controlled seats. Harrier. Physical key to start. You can also get push to start if you want it. Cage cluster, very majestic and nice. Also bright, by the way. Beautiful, just beautiful. Ah, wood-like finish, but it's plastic that looks like wood. Storage. Cup holders in here. Open. Extra storage. Close, and it closes. Suede finish on the seat with linings of leather. Harrier. Tiny storage at the back here, expandable though. Okay. The suede carried on. Harrier. Air vents for the passengers, yes. Fancy cup holder, correct, with some storage. Panoramic sunroof. Beautiful and massive. Very easy to open. It lifts itself. Hydraulic, not hydraulic. This is compressed air pistons. Your reminder to click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the video so far. Tell me if this new style of review is better than the old one. Okay, only this part opens. Ah, nice. Did you see that? Let's do it again. Fancy, fancy, fancy. Okay, spare tire down here. We are in for a surprise. Ah, it is there, it is there. This one looks rusted, eh? The spare tire looks rusted. The rim looks rusted, but this one you can always ask them to change for you. Yuasa guys are very understanding. Electronic boot close.
Leja, charge your ride. In a world choking on pollution, it is time to take charge. At Leja, we are leading the way in Uganda. We supply and install top-notch EV chargers, fast, reliable and eco-friendly solutions. Make the switch to a cleaner, brighter future today. Contact Leja today.
Yes. Electronic boot opening. No. But it is there, you see, power door. Ah, yes, you just have to long press. Ah, okay. Cool, let's do it again. Beautiful. The Toyota Harrier 2.4 liter is a mid-size SUV that combines style, luxury, and impressive performance. Let's dive into the details of this remarkable vehicle. First, let's explore the Toyota Harrier's dimensions. It measures 1.8 meters in width, 4.7 meters in length, and 1.6 meters in height, with a wheelbase of 2.7 meters and a ground clearance of 190 millimeters. It strikes a balance between comfort and road clearance. Inside, there's plenty of room to accommodate your needs. The Toyota Harrier offers a trunk capacity of 190 liters, expandable to a whopping 2,130 liters when you fold down the rear seats. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder DOHC engine. This petrol-powered engine delivers 160 horsepower at 5,600 RPM and a maximum torque of 221 Newton meters. For reliable stopping power, the Toyota Harrier is equipped with vented disc brakes in the front and disc brakes in the rear, ensuring your safety on the road. It features a rack and pinion steering system for precise control. In terms of fuel efficiency, it covers an urban consumption rate of 13 liters per 100 kilometers. With a 72-liter fuel tank, this SUV will take you on long journeys with fewer stops at the pump. To give you a better idea of its cab weight, the Toyota Harrier 2.4 weighs in at 1.7 ton or 1,700 kilograms. It is equipped with a 4-cylinder DOHC engine with a regular gasoline engine, ensuring balance of power and efficiency. In summary, the 2009 Toyota Harrier 2.4 offers a harmonious blend of luxury, comfort, and performance. Its spacious interior, stylish design, and powerful engine make it a top choice for the mid-size SUV category. So if you're in the market for a vehicle that is as capable as it's comfortable, consider a Toyota Harrier. Leave a like on this video and subscribe down below. Turn on the notification key, ring the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.